Next is Trent, retail business, ranking on earnings, seriously bad, 14.7. That is, it is lying in the lowest quartile. Very poor earnings. This is because of COVID. Price rank is 74.5. That is about 25% of companies in the market today, in the list what we are tracking, is having better returns than Trent in the market. We are tracking about 680 plus companies. In that, 25% means somewhere around 175 companies are having better returns than Trent. Again, when we have such big difference between the earnings rank and price rank, price is front ending something. Looks like post COVID there is expectation that this supermarket chain will do well, and because of that there is prices already run up. Business had a very big pickup in 2018-19, huge. Somebody has tracked Trent stock price in 2019. Midway it started running up. It had a severe upside move, and because of COVID it crashed 60%. That was a very big hit. Profit growth is very very volatile in the stock. It's a concern, because with very good business, if profit is becoming erratic, that means something is going wrong in the company. Of course, it is Tata group company. Still, with sales increase, profit also should have a smooth increase. It should be like a smooth flow. While profits, we see that there is up and down movements. That is not good. That's a concern. And COVID damage was very very big in this stock. That will take huge time to recover. That's what the chart shows. From 804 it is corrected to it's about dropped 60%, and from there it is just holding that band. It has to come down again. So that pain of COVID is showing up clearly on this stock. It is struggling. In this sector, in this stock, there is something unique that is happening. Only the insurance companies are buying this stock. Others are not participating in the stock. Current buy zone for Trent is 500 to 568. When the price is coming there, you can buy. Trent has lost its strength. That's why I just put this picture. The old lady is lost her strength and waiting, watching the window. If there is anything that can come, that's what has happened to all the businesses in our country. Not only in our country, globally, because of fears, we have created a big damage to the lifestyle itself. So for Trent, our thoughts, it has lost its strength, needs time, and that time is going to be a very long period. Pain is clearly showing up in the stock. Earnings is pathetic. That is from March and June, they have dropped badly. Even I think one loss was there. So all those things are putting pressure on the stock. If somebody wants to buy when price comes to 500, 568. Even there, it will not give big returns. It's having huge resistance. So there is no recommendation to buy or sell the stock. Do your analysis, make your judgment, and then buy the stock. That's for Trent.